Hello team, so this is the astrology application which I am going to show you. So this is the admin panel. Here you can check how much call requests we have, chat requests, report requests. Here we can check total earning, how much customers we have, astrologer, order, or how much story we had posted. Here you can check monthly earning report, monthly requests. Here we can check top or astrologers data, name, contact detail. Here we can check his or her request, like how much calls and chat done. Here we can check preference languages. Here you can check unverified astrologer data. Here you can verify that, or you can view data before verification. After that, here you can check complete customer data, how much customers you have, what number they are using, and what emails have, and like birth time, birth date, and here you can easily add it, delete, or you can view. Here you can add customer as well. You can import or export data, or you can recharge, means you can add money manually to that user. Here you can check block astrologer if you find any misuse or anything else which is not good, so you can block that user. That data will come here. After that, here you can find out the complete astrologer data. Here you can check name, contact, email, gender, total requests. Here you can check status. You can easily add it, view, or you can update it and verify. If you want to add any astrologer, you can add astrologer easily. You just need to add some data like personal details, skill details like gender, astrology categories, primary skills, languages, or what is the charges like edge, video charges per minute, report charges and all. They can manage that. After that, other details we have and availability. So when he or she available for astrology work, so you can set up that. Okay, after that we have a pending request. So if any astrologer register from front end, that data will come here. Then you verify, then it will be live. Then we have a review. So if any customers share any review, that data will come here. After that, gift we have here. You can set up gift like name, image, amount, status. You can add it, delete if you want to create any other gifts, so you can add. So customer, if customer is impressed with astrologer, so they can share gift with astrologer with value of any amount which we have set up, like this is the gift and this is the value. You can easily disable, edit, or delete. Okay, then we have skills. So here you can set up multiple skills. What skills are working here, so you can set up your own skills. Then we have other options like category. Here you can set up category, and this is commission rate for we can set up like call, or here we select astrologer, and then we can set up this is up any specific astrologers, like we need to charge more to any specific, then we can do that. Then we have astro shop. So like we have many types of lal kitab, rudramala, any types of gemstones, and many more types of product was there. So here you can sell your own product here. You can add products category. Then we have a product, so here you can create multiple product. If any types of motif was there, so you can add statue and many things were there. Any types of gems is there, so here you can create any product. Then here you can check order data. Then we have a horoscope. Here you can check daily horoscope, weekly, yearly horoscope feedback. You can check. Horoscope is coming direct with the API. So we set up API here, and then it will be work automatically. Then we have blogs. So here you can check all blog data, which blog already created. If you want to create any blog, you just need to click on end blog. You can create any blog. That blog will be live on front end. Okay, here you can check as any blogs there, or here you can search what blogs you want to search here. Here you can check blog images, okay, title and etc. Okay, here you can check blog data. There is a three dot option. Here you can view, edit, or you can delete as well. Here you can check the complete data. Then we have a news. Here you can check news URL, channel, news date, news description. You can edit, delete. You can disable it if you want to disable. Okay, if you want to add any news, then you can add any news. for adding news, you just need to add channel name, link, news and descriptions. Okay, then we have a videos. So if like introduction video was there, any feature video was there, so here you can set up your own video, or any else video also you can set up. That all types of video will come on front end. I will show you that front end as well. So here you can check the video data. Here you can check if you want to add it, delete. Here if you want to disable it, then you can do it easily. Here you can check title like horoscope, so we set up our horoscope video as well. So you can change your as well. If you want to change, then you can. Here you can check ads video, or you can create multiple video as well according to your requirement. Then we have a banner management. Here you can check all types of banner. You can edit, delete, or you can add banner. Then we have a stories. So here you can check all types of story data. Then we have a notification as well. Here you can set up multiple types of notifications. Okay, then we have support management. So if any of your user get any issue, so they can raise any ticket, that data will come here. Then you can manage. Here you can check FAQ, and then we have, so here if any user request for any withdrawal, then that data will come here. Okay, so after that we have allow me seconds, withdrawal request. After the withdrawal methods, we have like which method we are using for withdraw our money, like Paytm or UPI types we have. Okay, we have many options like what we call like bank transfer we have. So your user can easily ask for bank transfer. Your user can easily ask for cash, or you can choose anyone. You can add it or you can delete it as well. Okay, after that here you can check reports. After that, like call history report, chat report, partner wise report and all. After that, some settings we have. Let me show you the settings. Here you can check all types of customer profile. Here you can add multiple profile, like this is Aries, Autumn in Gemini, Libra. Okay, after that, horoscope sign. Here you can set up multiple horoscope sign. Okay, here you can edit it as well. After that, we have a report tab. So here we can add multiple types of reports. What reports you require, here you can set up reports. Okay, here you can add multiple reports as well, like love report, career report and all. After that, we have recharge amount. So like if your user can easily add money in their wallet, just clicking like if you are set up any cashback, so here you can set up cashback as well. Like if they add 1000 rupees, so we will provide you extra 5%. This types of reward you can set up. Okay, this is the amount. Then we have a team management. So here you can set up roles, like if you want to set up a staff management, and you can create a staff login here. Okay, you can select a role and you can give permission, what permission you need to assign. With those permissions they can easily manage. After that, we have a team list, so you can easily manage team or your software. They just need to, you can sign up them, or you can assign any role, then it will can undo. Okay, then we have some general settings. Okay, here you can check about like partner app name. Here we can set up currency, commissions. So here we can set up commission as well. What commissions are there, we can set up my own commissions according to requirement. Or here you can check what is the GST rate. PayPal, we already set up PayPal key here, Paytm key here. So InstaMojo we have, and many types of gateway we have, like PayStack, Stripe, RadioPay, Authorize.net, Mercado Page, PayUmoney, Molly, and RaviPay. So you can use any payment method, which payment method you feel comfortable, you can work with that. You just need to assign a link. sorry, API key like payment gateway key, it will be work for you. Okay, then we have a third party. Here you can check third party API like Agora, Bucket. We are using Vedic for horoscope. This types of things we have. Okay, AWS Bucket or the Google Map API we have. OTP less for OTP. Then here you can set up other things. Firebase API and all. You can manage that. Then some types of feedback we have. So here you can manage your feedback. Okay, and then we have like page management, so you can manage page like privacy policy about us and all. You can change the content if you want to change content. So this is the admin panel, or this is the front end. Your user can easily sign up here. They just need to log in with phone number or log in with Google or WhatsApp as well if they need. Okay, here you can check content like our astrologers, Panchanga product, and here you can set up your videos, new product. Here is set up news, blogs, and all. This all data will come from backend, so you can use or you can update according to your requirement easily. Okay, so this is the complete demo which I'll just show you. So if you have doubts, then you can contact with me. Now I'm going to show you the app demo. Here you can check app. So this is the app which I'm going to show you. So here you can search what you want to say, like astrologer and all. After that we have a category, shopping, and all types of like product we have. You can check astrologer and all. Here you can check category. Here are some banner. Okay, here you can check astrologer data. You can call, you can video call. Here you can check name, what language they have preference, like that. Okay, you just need to add some data and it will work for you. Okay, then here you can check wait for video call. You can refresh. Okay, here you can all types of astrologer, or you can check by category as well. Here you can check your wallet, so you can add money. You can check like wallet transaction and payment logs. If you want to add money, then these are offers which we have set up from backend. Here you can check call data. Okay, here we can check all types of reports. Okay, here you can check ongoing call or ongoing astrologer. Means if any astrologer was live, then the data will come here. Here you can check like details reports. So here you can check all types of reports. Here you can check. You can ask for report and report will be generated. Here you can check astrologer profile data, like how much reviews they have, how much minute calls, and what is the amount they are charging, and here you can manage that. Okay, here you can check all types of reports. Yeah, then we have like other things as well. See, here you can like for chat you can set up your own details. For that, for like counseling, we have followers. We have, so here you can check follower data, and then we have a services. So here you can check services. Theme we have sign up as astrologer, so you can easily sign up as well. Okay, so these are free service which we have set up here. Okay, then we have some like we can set up we disable theme option here. You can easily check that in like terms and privacy. You can log out your account, you can delete your account. Okay, and this is a support system. So if you are facing any issue, then you can create customer support and assistance support. Okay, here you can check all the things. Now we will show you astrologer side. So that is a customer side. Now I'm going to show you astrologer side. Just a few seconds. Here you can check chat. So like if anyone requests for chat calls, that data will come here. Here you can check reports. If any customers ask for report, then data will come here. You can approve that. Here you can check your wallet and wallet history and transaction. After that, you also can easily add money in your wallet. Then we have a three dot option. Here you can check my assistant. So if you can create your assistant as well, you just need to add some data of that assistant. Assistant will be added. Then assistant chat request data will come here. Wallet transaction data, all types of transaction will come here. Customer reviews. Then we have here you can check other things. Okay, here you can check your this is your profile. So here your personal details, your skill details, other details, assignment, ability, chat ability, and call ability. Okay, so after that, let me show you other things. So this is the option like daily horoscope, Kundli, matching, astrology, and all. You can manage that. You can check blog. You can change or you can check all types of data here. Here you can check Kundli. You can create new Kundli as well. You just need to have some data and you can create it. This is a demo account, that's why we are not going there. Here your astrologer can go live as well. You just need to assign allow them permission and then you can go for live. Here you can disconnect, you can chat, or you can do all the things easily here. Okay. So I think that demo has already completed. I think I already show you all the features. So here you can check all the features. Okay, for any query you can contact with me.